Say hi, Jossie.
I'm playing ball now.
You're playing ball now?
Yeah.
Hey, can you say hi to Auntie Boone?
No.
What?
Hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say I love you, sissies.
Hi, Sissy.
Say I love you, Sissy Jossie.
Hi, Sissy.
Say I love you, Abby. Okay. It's just Mommy. Hi, girls. Love you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay, play football. This is how your little bro plays football. He plays football like a maniac.
It's dark in here.
I know. Okay, grab the football, guys.
Go! And Brittany, don't make it too long.
Okay.
Ow!
Say,
Oh my God.
okay, say peace out.
Oh.
Can you say peace out?